The Realme 11 Pro and Realme 11 Pro Plus was unveiled in China last month, beginning the international rollout today, starting with India. Both the smartphones are offered in black, beige, and green colors in India, with the last two having a vegan leather finish. The memory options are totally different. The Pro Plus gets a 8 256 GB and 12 256 GB configuration, while the Pro gets a third option, which is 8 128. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G will have a price of around $530 at launch, which is for the 512 GB version. The Realme 11 Pro is launched at $400. In India, the Realme 11 Pro Plus starts from 28,000 Indian rupees for the base model, while the Realme 11 Pro Plus sale starts on June 15th at 12 noon from Realme stores and Flipkart. Realme 11 Pro starts at 24,000 Indian rupees for the base model, with the top model being 27,999. The sale starts from June 16th. They're very similar phones with notable differences in camera and battery department. The Realme 11 Pro Plus features a 200 megapixel main camera joined with the 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro, while the Pro model skips the ultra wide unit and swaps the main camera with a 100 megapixel unit. It also supports a 16 megapixel selfie camera instead of the 32 megapixel which is on the Pro Plus. Both smartphones have 5000 mAh battery, but only the Pro Plus gets 100 watts of wired charging, while the Pro gets 67 watts. The rest of the specs are same, that is the Dimensity 7050 SoC, 6.7 inch, 120Hz Full HD plus curved AMOLED screens with Android 13 based Realme UI 4.0. The brand ambassador is the King Khan, so he'll be promoting this phone, so Shah Rukh Khan. It features in-display fingerprint scanners, stereo speakers, and Dolby Atmos.